Surface areas and volumes. Cuboid. If length L, breadth B, height h of a cuboid, then the total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Example. The height, length and the breadth of the gift box are 20 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 15 centimeters respectively. Then find its total surface. Solution. Total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 2 into 20 into 10 plus 10 into 15 plus 15 into 20 is equal to 2 into 200 plus 150 plus 300 is equal to 2 into 650 is equal to 1300 centimeter square. Lateral surface area. The total area of all the lateral faces of the cuboidal is the lateral surface area of the room. Hence, the lateral surface area of the room is equal to 2h into L plus B. Example. Find the surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Solution. Length of the cuboid L is equal to 15 cm, breadth of the cuboid B is equal to 12 cm, height of the cuboid H is equal to 10 cm. Surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 2 into 15 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 10 into 15 centimeter square is equal to 2 into 180 plus 120 plus 150 centimeter square is equal to 2 into 450 centimeter square is equal to 900 centimeter square. Cube. If edge of a cube is A, then lateral surface area of a cube is 4A square and total surface area of a cube is 6A square. Example. If each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? Solution. Let the edge of the cube be x. Then edge of the new cube formed is equal to 2x. Surface area of the original cube is equal to 6x square. Surface area of the new cube is equal to 6 into 2x whole square, which is equal to 6 into 4x square equal to 4 into 6x square. Hence, the surface area of the new cube becomes 4 times than that of the original cube. Volume of cube and cuboid. Amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called its volume. Here, we will use cubic units to find the volume of a solid. To find the volume of a solid, we need to divide the space into cubical units. Unit cube is a cube of unit length. Volume of cuboid. If L is length, B is breadth and H is height of a cuboid, then volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Since L into B is the area of its base, and we can also say that volume of cuboid is equal to area of the base into height. Volume of a cube. A cube is a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are same. So, volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, equal to side cube is equal to a cube, where a is the side of the cube. Volume of a cube. Generally, we measure the volumes of liquids in milliliters or liters. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube is equal to 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Volume and capacity. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. Capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. If a water tin holds 100 centimeter cube of water, then the capacity of the water tin is 100 centimeter cube. Example: find the volume of a block of wood whose length is 20 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. Solution: the block of wood is a cuboid and the volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Here, length L is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth B is equal to 10 centimeters and height H is equal to 8 centimeters. Volume of the block is equal to 20 into 10 into 8 is equal to 1600 centimeter cube. Example: water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Solution: volume of the reservoir is equal to 108 meter cube is equal to 108 into 1000 liters, where 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. The reservoir is filling at the rate of 60 liters per minute. Required time is equal to 108 into 1000 by 60 minutes is equal to 108 into 1000 by 60 into 60 hours is equal to 30 hours. Example: a village having a population of 4000 requires 150 liters water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meters, 15 meters, 6 meters. How many days for the water is sufficient enough once the tank is made full? Solution: volume of the tank is equal to 20 m into 15 m into 6 m is equal to 1800 m cube is equal to 18 lakhs liters. Volume of water consumed by one person in one day is equal to 150 liters. Total volume of water consumed in a day by total population is equal to 150 into 4000. Required number of days is equal to volume of the tank by volume of water consumed in one day is equal to 18 lakhs by 150 into 4000 is equal to 3 days.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.